Welcome back. This is Soham from Askmefunnels membership area, and in this video, we are going to talk about the print-on-demand T-shirt selling business. Alright, so basically, what is the POD? POD generally stands for the print-on-demand. Using these T-shirts or whatever other kind of products which you print on the in the case when you have an order of that particular product. All right, so that's why it gets named print on demand. And using these t-shirts you may launch your own custom t-shirt store designing store within next 30 minutes without any hassle of managing inventory, products, and designing and shipping, packaging. There is no hassle of all that task, and you would be able to launch your own custom t-shirt designing business. All right, so why we are sharing these details over here, because hundreds of people has asked us about the e-commerce business, how they can use sales funnels in their e-commerce business and how they can launch their e-commerce business using the sales funnel. So that's why we have decided to provide 25 editable t-shirt designs which you can download from the Ask Me Funnels membership area, and you can edit these designs in Photoshop or Illustrator according to your comfort, according to your audience. You can customize the fonts, you can customize the colors, you can customize the designs. All right, so you would be able to use these 25 t-shirt design, and these t-shirts are highly convertible, and most of them has helped us to generate around $10,000 for our customers. And the same designs we are sharing over here, and you would be able to use these designs to launch your own custom print on demand t-shirt store using sales funnel. All right, so what you need to do is just download the images shared on the zip file and upload these designs on the Printful and or Teespring. Basically, Printful or Teespring is a third party vendor platform which are used for the print on demand services. What they do is you just provide them a design of your highly pixelized designs to Printful, and you place the order with them. And what happens that after that they print your designs on the t-shirts you have selected, and they pack and ship that particular t-shirt to your customer. All right, so all the process of the shipping, printing, packaging is handled by the Printful. That's why Printful or Teespring are the world leaders in the print on demand business niche. All right, so what you need to do is just upload the images we have shared over here and upload these designs on the Printful. And once you upload these designs on the Printful, you would be able to get a free mockup. A mockup means you would be able to get your designs whereby a model that can be male or female, or you would be able to represent your t-shirt to your audience more accurately. All right, so after you upload your designs on the Printful, what you need to do is just download that mockup designs and upload that image in your product sales funnels. We have available around 100 plus product sales funnel inside our Ask Me Funnels paid membership area. uh, Over here, for the 140 plus funnels get instant access. This is the basically instant access, and these are some kind of the products funnels we have available inside our membership area. And what happens that when you upgrade your membership to the Pro or VIP, you would be able to get the instant access to all these 100 plus product sales funnel. All right, so you what you need to do is just download the funnel in your ClickFunnels membership area, add your mockup designs, and and replace our designs from the sales funnel, and just start promoting these funnels using the Facebook group and Facebook advertisements or Google advertisement or whatever the medium you are comfortable with. All right, So you can even link your ClickFunnels account to the Shopify platform. Shopify basically is a platform which we use to set up a complete e-commerce drop shipping business and to automate 100% our business from getting the orders, fulfill the orders. And what you need to do is just click and and you would be ready to sell custom t-shirts online. All right. The designs available in the Ask Me Funnels membership area are 100% editable, and you may edit these designs using Photoshop and Illustrator, as I have told you earlier. All right. So this is basically the overview of why 25 t-shirt designs we have shared over here. Using these designs, again, I am saying that using these designs, you can launch your custom print on demand t-shirt store in next 30 minutes using our plug and play product sales funnel. All right, so guys, this is a huge announcement I am going to share over here. In a few days, around 2nd to 5th May of 2020, we are going to release a complete step-by-step training in which you would be able to learn how to use ClickFunnels for the e-commerce business, how to link your ClickFunnels with Shopify, and automate the complete process of your custom t-shirt or print on demand business. All right, so stay tuned with us, and if you are a pro or VIP member of your Ask Me Funnels, you would be able to get all that training 100% free, and that would be automatically added in your membership area. All right, you just do not need to do anything. You will get notified when around between 2nd to 5th May we will launch the complete mastering e-commerce with sales funnel complete step-by-step training. All right, so if you have any questions, you can just use a need support button on the right bottom corner, and I am ready to answer your queries. All right, so thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the complete training. Thank you.